In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with a photo using a popular design tool. This is a creative technique that can add a unique flair to your projects, making them stand out and capture attention. So let's dive right into the process and explore each step thoroughly. First, you'll want to start by opening your design tool and navigating to the Elements tab. This section is crucial as it hosts an array of design features that will help us achieve that perfect visual effect. Within Elements, you'll find frames. These are predefined shapes that will provide the structure you'll be working with. Frames are incredibly versatile and come in a multitude of shapes and sizes, allowing you to select the one that best suits your design needs. They not only add an artistic edge, but also simplify the process of aligning and fitting your photo perfectly. Once you've opened the Frames section, take a moment to explore the shapes available. You might find anything from basic rectangles and circles to more complex and artistic designs like abstract forms or geometric patterns. Selecting the right shape boils down to your project's theme and the look you're aiming for. It's like choosing the right canvas for your painting. It sets the stage for everything that follows. After settling on your desired frame, the next step is to add your photo. Head over to the Uploads section in your design tool. If you haven't uploaded your photo yet, take a moment to do so. Simply drag your file from your computer into the Uploads area and it will be ready to use. Having your images organized here makes it easy to access and experiment with different options until you find the ideal match for your frame. With your photo uploaded and ready, the fun begins. Select the photo from the Uploads tab and drag it over to your selected frame. As you hover over the frame, you'll notice the photo seamlessly snaps into place, filling the shape beautifully. This intuitive feature ensures that your image will perfectly conform to the frame's boundaries without any hassle. If you want to adjust the position of the photo within the frame, you can usually double click it, allowing you to move and scale it until you achieve the desired effect. And there you have it. You've now successfully filled a shape with a photo. This simple yet powerful technique opens up a realm of possibilities for your creative projects, whether it's for a presentation, a social media post, or a personal project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different frames and photos to find what works best for you. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing.